Bovista, Allen's keynotes, puffball, fungi. Persons who suffer from tetary eruptions, dry or moist, adapted to cold maids with palpitation, stammering children. Discharge from nose and all mucous membranes very tough, stringy, tenacious. Usually deep impression on finger from using blunt instruments, scissors, knife, etc. Intolerance of tight clothing around the waist. Sweat in axilla, smells like onions. Hemorrhage after extraction of teeth from wounds, epistaxis, great weakness of joints and weariness of hands and feet. Awkwardness, inclined to drop things from hands, objects fall from powerless hands. Menses, flow only at night, not in the daytime. Diarrhea before and during menses, occasional show every few days between periods. Every 2 weeks, dark and clotted with painful bearing down. Intolerable itching at tip of coccyx, must scratch till parts become raw and sore. Relations, compare Amonca, belladonna, calcarea, maxulf, sepia in menstrual irregularities. Bovista antidotes, effects of local applications of tar, suffocation from gas. When rust seems indicated but fails to cure in chronic urticaria. Bovista, Boric materia medica, puffball, has a marked action on the skin, producing eruption like eczema, also upon the circulation, predisposing to hemorrhages, marked languor and lassitude. Adapted to stammering children, old maids with palpitation and tetary patients. Stage of numbness and tingling in multiple neuritis. Asphyxia due to charcoal fumes. Mind, enlarged sensation, awkward, everything falls from hands, sensitive. Head, sensation if head were enlarging, especially of occiput. Distinctive headache, worse early morning, open air line. Discharge from nose, stringy, tough, dull bruised pain in brain, stammering. Scalp itches, worse, warmth, sensitive, must scratch until sore. Face, scurf and crust about nostrils and corners of mouth, lips chapped, bleeding of nose and gums. Cheeks and lips feel swollen, acne worse in summer due to use of cosmetics. Stomach, sensation as of a lump of ice, intolerant of tight clothing around waist. Female, diarrhea before and during menses, menses too early and profuse, worse at night, voluptuous sensation, leucorrhea acrid, thick, tough, greenish, follows menses. Cannot bear tight clothing around waist. Traces of menses between menstruation. Soreness of pubes during menses. Metrorrhagia, parovarian cyst. Abdomen, colic with red urine, relieved by eating, must bend double, pain around umbilicus, stitches through perineum towards rectum and genitals. Chronic diarrhea of old people, worse at night and early morning. Extremities, great weakness of all joints, clumsiness with her hands, drops things from hands, weariness of hands and feet, sweat in axillae, onion smell, tip of coccyx itches intolerably, moist eczema on back of hand, itching of feet and legs, eczema, edema in joints after fracture. Skin, blunt instruments leave deep impression on the skin. Urticaria on excitement with rheumatic lameness, palpitation and diarrhea. Itching on getting warm. Eczema, moist, formation of thick crust, pimples cover the entire body, scurvy, herpetic eruptions, pruritus ani, urticaria on waking in the morning, worse from bathing, pellagra. Relationship, Bovista antidote star applications, suffocation from gas after rust in chronic urticaria. Compare Calcarea rust, stock Sapia cicuta, dose 3rd to 6th potency.